Hi, my name is Barbara Vasquez. I'm a rising senior at Manhattan University, and I'm super excited to start my role as a media journalist intern at Schneps Media this summer. What I like most about this type of work is definitely meeting new people and experiencing new things I may have never encountered otherwise, and that is something I'm definitely looking forward to this summer. I love New York, and I can't wait to get out and share the stories of the city.
Hi, I'm Jeanette Fizel. I'm the social media assistant at Queens, New York, and I'm currently a graduate student at NYU in the magazine and digital storytelling program. I am overall the most excited about being given the opportunity to work with such amazing creatives and professionals who share the same love and passion for the line of work that I do, and being able to tell the stories that normally wouldn't get told on their own. And I think that's what journalism is really all about.
Hi, my name is Jack Wynn, and I'm a sports creative journalist here from the University of Maryland. I am very excited for this internship program. I love sports. I love the storylines and the deeper narratives that go along with it. I'm very excited to report on a bunch of different teams in a lot of different ways, and to just take every opportunity I can and continue to develop as a reporter and as a person.
Hey, I'm Aviva Stokin, a junior at Barnard College and a social media assistant for AM New York and the Bronx Times this summer. This summer has already been an incredible experience working across the boroughs. As a social media assistant, I get to translate our most pressing stories into digital posts, allowing more New Yorkers a glimpse into what's happening across the city in real time. At Schneps, I hope to utilize our platform to give communities, people, and stories that need to be heard their audience.
Hi, my name is Shane Gomez. I'm a media journalist with Schneps, and I go to the news school. I'm excited for this internship because it'll allow me to travel across New York City, meet new people, explore communities, and tell their stories. My favorite part of this internship so far has been translating people's experiences and memories into words. And my goals for this internship are to do more video work and also some long-form storytelling.
Hi, my name is Tanya Singh. I'm a grad student at NYU pursuing an MFA in literary reportage. This summer, I'm interning with Schneps Media as a media journalist intern. This internship is an opportunity for me to explore stories across New York City, to be able to understand how the different boroughs work, to be able to share my work with the readers of AM New York and Brooklyn Paper, and above all, to enjoy the privilege of being able to talk to people across the city. Excited to be here.
Hi, my name is Alexandra Predator. I'm an incoming senior at St. John's University and I'm interning as a media journalist this summer. I'm so excited to connect with others who have the same passions and goals I do to succeed in journalism. My favorite part about this work is getting to capture the unique stories of the city, and that's why I'm excited about this internship specifically, because I get to have a city-wide focus. And my biggest goal is to improve my interviewing skills and get the best quotes possible to best capture these stories.
Hi, my name is Jack Bulick, and I am a Schneps Media Journalist intern this summer. I'm really excited about this program because it's going to be able to help me develop my skills professionally while enhancing my experience academically at St. John's. And some of the areas that I'm going to be covering this summer for the Brooklyn Paper and AM New York include local community features, restaurant features, local city news, and local politics. So I'm really excited to get the ball rolling and get this program started.
Hi, my name is Nadia Knobloch, and I am a media journalist intern with AM New York this summer and a student at Barnard College of Columbia University. One of my main goals for this summer was to be able to write about the Democratic primary elections, which thankfully AM New York and Schneps Media has allowed me to do. I was able to attend watch parties for incumbent Adriano Espaillat of Congressional District 13, as well as for soon-to-be Congresswoman Daria Lisa Villa-Chevalier, which was such an exciting opportunity. The work that really excites me when it comes to journalism in general and also with Schneps is getting to learn more about my New York City community. As a student from out of state, I really wanted to challenge myself to talk to organizations that maybe I hadn't heard of or haven't had the opportunity to speak to in interviews in a journalism capacity so far. And one of my main goals for this summer was to do political reporting, and thankfully I've been able to pursue that and much more with AM so far. So I'm looking forward to seeing what else the summer has in store.
Hi, I'm Annabelle. I'm a social media intern. I just graduated from NYU with a BFA in film and television. I studied in Tisch School of the Arts. It was a fun time, and I really love filmmaking. I can't wait to make more short content videos for Schneps Media this summer.
Guys, my name is Jack Gilmore. I'm a rising sophomore at New York University, majoring in media, culture, and communications. And this summer, I'm really excited to join Schneps Media and the team as a social media assistant intern. I already have some experience getting media and marketing coverage for entertainment like film, TV, some Broadway. And I'm really excited to do more of that, but then also expand what I've done and what experience I have, whether that be in food or art or anything else that the city has to offer. I really think that representation and getting your voice heard is important, and I hope to contribute to showcasing and spotlighting New York City and what they have to offer.
Hi, my name is Kirsten Marshall, and I'm a social media assistant this summer at Schneps Media, and I'm also a student at NYU. I'm most excited for learning more about how social media works and seeing how the fast-paced media world works. My favorite part is being able to collab with so many different people from so many different sides of media. I'm very passionate about connecting to the community that's watching the media, and my future goals is to help continue to grow Dan's paper, which is the part of Schneps Media that I'm helping on. So, yeah.
Hey, my name is Sam Brulé, and I'm a rising senior at the New School in Manhattan, where I study journalism and design. I am a part of the Schneps Summer 2026 Creative and Multimedia Intern program. I'm really excited to build my connections in the city and also strengthen my skills in reporting alongside the team at Schneps. My favorite part about journalism is connecting with the community and learning something new with every story. In the past, I've covered rodeos and ham radio, upper management issues, and university restructuring at the New School. I'm passionate about telling these stories from a unique angle, and that's something that I'm really hopeful that my time at Schneps will help me expand on. One of my goals is to write a series of stories, both written and video, about bikes and bike legislation in New York.
Hi everyone, I'm Bridget Leahy, a senior at Fordham University, and I'm so excited to be returning as a multimedia journalist with Schneps Media this semester. I'm really excited to continue to tell the stories about New York City's incredible restaurants and culture while collaborating with this summer's interns.
My favorite part of this work is meeting passionate people and sharing what makes our city so unique. I'm passionate about multimedia storytelling, and I hope to continue growing as a reporter while collaborating with the team and creating engaging stories that connect with our readers.
Hi everybody, I'm Logan Holland. I'm a rising junior at NYU, and I'm super excited to be joining Schneps Media this summer as a media intern. I'm super excited about, getting on the ground and reporting on these really fun and quirky human interest stories that are like sprinkled all across the city. I can't wait to find some really fun stories to report on, and I'm super excited to join an amazing team of people. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ashley. I am a video production assistant with Schneps Media. I am a graduate student at Pace University, and I'm really excited about going out there and telling people stories. I am also really passionate about editing video, and I can't wait to get out there and try reporting, something new for me. So I'm really excited to be at Schneps Media.
Hi there, my name is Noah Strang. I'm a master's student at NYU. This is my second semester with Schneps Media. I'm working as a sports creative intern. I'm excited for a busy summer of sports in New York City and working with the team to produce some amazing content.
Hi, my name is Nicholas St. Cyr. I'm a senior journalism major at St. John's University, and the things I'm most excited for this internship is to be able to cover sports in the city, connect with so many new people, be able to learn hands-on experience, and just write about sports.
Hi, my name is Darren, and I'm a multimedia intern at Schneps, and I'm a rising junior in NYU. I'm really excited to build connections, attend events, and really learn how to tell stories on social media.
Especially being in New York, there's always something happening, and there's so many events and stories to cover. It's a place where you can never get bored, so my favorite part of this work is creating content and capture those moments and connect with people. I hope this internship can help me grow creatively and professionally.
Hi everyone, I'm Christian Androulis. I'm going to be a sports creative intern for Schneps Media this summer, and I'm a rising senior at the University of Maryland. I'm from Connecticut, so I grew up watching a lot of these New York sports teams, so being able to be on the ground covering those teams that I grew up watching will be a dream come true for me, and I'm super excited for opportunities in terms of the NBA Finals, the MLB, the World Cup, WNBA, and anything that comes my way.
Hi everyone, my name is Carly Schwartz and I'm a rising senior at Hofstra University. I'm currently a social media assistant intern for Schneps Media and the Long Island Press. I'm really looking forward to gaining new experiences and getting out of my comfort zone. I love this line of work because it really gives a voice to the voiceless, and I also am able to use my creativity to spread information. And even though it's a little bit scary at first, I think that going out into the field and getting content is something that I really want to push myself to do. I'm so excited for this opportunity and I can't wait to keep growing and learning this summer with Schneps Media.
My name is Jason Petrucci, and I'm a sports creative journalist serving as a summer intern for Schneps Media at AM New York. I currently serve as a junior at St. John's University, studying in journalism with a minor in sports management. My biggest goal this summer is to really focus on video content and recording myself on camera while also interviewing many different people. My favorite thing about being a sports journalist is not only having the opportunity to attend all of these awesome events, but to also use my voice and speak on what my passion is, and that is sports. I'm really excited this summer to work even more with AM New York and Schneps Media to deliver more content and more great experiences.
Hello everybody, my name is Lamont Jackson and I'm a student at Hunter College. What I'm most excited about working at Schneps is just gaining more experience under my belt with this very strong passion for journalism. I love journalism a lot, and that's what I'm really looking forward to with working with my fellow interns. My favorite part about this is just gaining experience reporting, writing, and hopefully I can gain more experience, and the goals I have is to continue to get published and be a better, more refined journalist.
Hi everyone, my name is Dean Kutratas. I'm a rising junior at St. John's University studying journalism. In my second semester at Schneps Media as a sports creative journalist. For my first semester, I got some good experience working in the field, but I want to expand upon that during my second semester. That's my main goal, just gaining more experience going to events in the field. I'll have to go to Fanatics Fest and also more games, including Mets and also the Liberty. And I love doing this work because I got to tell interesting stories about people, and also write game recaps about special games such as the NBA Finals.
Hi, my name is Melanie Gonzalez. I'm a rising sophomore at Hofstra University, majoring in journalism, and I'm a current summer intern at Schneps Media, working as a multimedia journalist.
I'm excited to gain real-world experience by covering local stories and meeting new people. My favorite part about this work is the hands-on aspect. To me, it's all about connecting, and I love that this opportunity highlights that. I'm hopeful that I will grow as a student journalist and use what I will learn to become a better storyteller. My goal is to hone my writing skills and practice real-world interviews so I can become a better student journalist.
Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Mack. I'm a senior at Temple, and I'm here as a sports creative journalist. Something I'm just really looking forward to is just with all the events going on in the city, with the Knicks winning the World Cup, the Yankees, the Mets, being able to cover New York sports, be able to do things that wouldn't be able to really do, and just being able to go to these events, talk to these people, go to these sporting events that I just wouldn't normally have the opportunities to do as well. And I just want to be able to grow my social platform and my video work, just because my experience is mainly in print media, and just being able to work with all these other interns